Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is James Smith, and we are Andalus Technologies. Our vision is to help build a better and more sustainable future for the energy storage systems in the next generation of e-mobility. This is our team. We are a group of individuals that are passionate about sustainable technology, and we've come a long way since we started our company approximately 2.5 years ago at the Loughborough Idea Programme. Since then, we've built an advisory board made up of industry experts that are keen to help us along our journey, as well as many other accomplishments. To start off with, I would like to introduce Rob Hunter, who we interviewed at my home university. He's a 54-year-old technician and he cycles to work each day 26 miles each way. He does this because he enjoys cycling and he's also very passionate about the environment. However, at his age, it's becoming difficult to make this long journey. So he's looking for an e-bike to make the journey easier. Though he doesn't want to invest in a whole new e-bike, as his existing bicycle was already a large investment. He also feels that the existing e-bikes in the market take too long to charge and are not sustainable. So we wanted to find out if other people have the same issues that Rob was having. So we conducted an online survey with over 200 people from all over the world. And this is what we found. We found that these issues were in fact universal and that there were also some other key problems as well. These all were related to the lithium-ion batteries that are inside all e-bikes, such as the fact that they are not environmentally sustainable due to the toxic chemicals inside of them. In fact, only 5% of all lithium-ion batteries are recycled worldwide. The rest end up in landfills. The other issues that we found were that e-bikes take too long to charge, approximately 5 hours on average. Whole e-bike solutions are too expensive, costing about $3,500 on average. And the product life cycle is very short, on average about 4 years, which is very short considering the cost. Now, to put into context the lucrativeness of this market, our total addressable market, the global e-bike market and bicycle markets, were predicted to rise to approximately 34 and 108 billion Singapore dollars respectively by 2025. Now, to talk about our solution. Our solution is an all-in-one bicycle wheel and throttle that you can mount on any existing bicycle and will electrify your bike within minutes. The key aspect of our solution that differentiates ourselves from any competition is the fact that we use flywheel technology over lithium-ion batteries. Whereas other solutions rely heavily on chemical batteries like lithium-ion, our flywheel technology acts as a mechanical battery as it stores energy in the rotational motion of a spinning flywheel. With this technology comes a wide variety of benefits that can solve the issues that people like Rob are having. As you can see, the current prototype aims to achieve the technology readiness level of 7 by proving the real-life usability. This product can be fitted to any conventional bicycle and will thereby be cheaper than buying a whole new e-bike. Yet it still comes with all of the benefits and more. Here you can see the benefits of flywheel battery technology over lithium-ion battery technology. Flywheel battery technology can be charged up to 36 times faster using a standard household power outlet. Flywheel batteries also are much more sustainable as they contain no toxic chemicals, making them much more economical to recycle. They have also been seen to last up to 100 times longer in industry, meaning there will be much less waste in the long term. These inherent benefits would solve issues that potential customers like Rob Hunter is having and make the transition to e-bikes much more attractive. Last year, we had a paid patent search done at the British Library in London and found that there were no infringements within the e-bike industry. Since then, we've been on a journey to patent our technology and are currently finalizing a draft patent with Matthews and Squire, and which we aim to submit within the month. Our competitors can be categorized into 4 main categories: full product offerings, retrofit conversion kits, e-bike component producers, and e-bike sharing schemes. While all of these companies could be considered as potential competitors, they could also be considered as potential strategic partners. This is because we would license our technology for them to use in their products. Now, to explain our route to market, I would like to illustrate a simple 3-step process. We are currently underway with the first step, and we are working towards finishing it within the year. To support all of the following, we first need to submit a patent application so we are safe from any potential competing infringements. Additionally, in this first step, we aim to achieve a technology readiness level so that we can undergo customer testing and secure some initial sales so that we can validate the market. We would be looking to sell our product for around 500 to 1,000 Singapore dollars. The second step is to use a patent that we will have gotten in the first step and license only the aspects relating to the bicycle industry to existing big e-bike players in the market. The reason we want to do this is because based off our market research, customers care most about the brand of the propulsion system in their e-bikes, as this conveys quality and assurance of performance. We aim to complete this step within the next 1 to 2 years. Our final step is a look towards the future and a step towards achieving our greater vision. Final step, we would use the revenue gain from the royalties in step 2 to develop the technology for further applications in other industries such as automotive, aerospace, and nautical. Using the expertise we will have gained through this process, we would then look to use the technologies developed and manufacture the propulsion system for all types of the next generation of e-mobility. Thank you for your time. And if you have any useful contacts within the e-bike and other e-mobility industries, please contact us at the following email, james1@dyson-smith.com.